What's up, guys? Stas here. So I want to quickly break down SoFi in this video, the charts, how it did today, my thoughts, all that good stuff, what I'm looking to do, of course. So if y'all find value, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. It's free. You might as well follow me on X as well, at Stas Talk Stocks, link down below. And if you want some free stocks from Moomoo, open up your account and fund it with your initial $100 deposit. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, each up to $2,000. And you also get a free share of SoFi stock. You guessed it, on top of those 5 stocks, again, with just a $100 deposit. So use that link down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. The markets closed about 50 minutes ago, and SoFi stock ended up having a pretty decent day. It went up 1.4%, up 10 cents, and we broke and closed over $7 per share, which is something that we were struggling to do on Friday. I'm not sure if you all remember, but let me pull this up and show you guys. And really on Thursday as well. Thursday morning, we were at about, let's see, actually in the pre-market, we were over $7 on Thursday. But now you guys can see, well, on Thursday, you guys saw, we ended up dumping off at market open, and we got all the way to 657 on Thursday, and we pretty much consolidated on Thursday in the second half of the day, heading into Friday, all day Friday, and we, failed to break above $7 on that day as well. And today we started to break out of that point, which is huge. You guys can see if I draw this out, we did break above that, which is awesome. And now it looks like we're slowly filling the gap to where we were before Thursday. In other words, on Wednesday, actually Thursday morning as well, let me draw this out. So SoFi right now is breaking above the highs from Friday, heading above most of the day's highs from Thursday. So we're essentially starting to make a move, in my opinion here, back towards maybe the mid-7s, which honestly, selfishly here, guys, I don't want to happen, considering I bought SoFi at 680 on Friday. Was that Friday? Yeah, that was on Friday. And I kind of want to buy more in the lower mid-6s, but it is what it is, guys. Now it's starting to run in the 7s, and the technicals do point to maybe a move to the mid-7s, potentially. Nothing's guaranteed, of course, guys. I'm not telling you exactly what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen, but it had a great day today, and we'll see what's going on moving forward here. And, that 5-day, 5-minute little channel here, whatever you want to call it, is worth watching this, window that we're in right now, as, again, we could be seeing some more momentum. So 5-day, 5-minute, those are some thoughts there, guys. 10-day, 30-minute, you guys can see this this range even better here. And now we're pretty much sandwiched between the moving averages here on this 30-minute chart, between 690 and about 706 to about 715. We'll see, what this range, what we do in this range. So SoFi is, very interesting, guys. Of course, we had a lot of insider trading last week. We had some big selling from the director of SoFi Bank, CMO, the CRO, CTO. All were selling out. I think it was the CTO sold out in September, some of his shares. But the other ones, the CMO, director of SoFi Bank, and the CRO, they sold out pretty big chunks of their positions on, I think it was the 6th or the 7th of November there. That was about a week ago. And then we got more news on Friday, which you guys probably remember. I covered this recently, that the CEO and the CFO, I believe, CFO, they added to their positions. I believe they bought nothing crazy, but they increased their position size by 1% to 2% roughly, from the CEO to the CFO, right? So they added a little bit after we got some big selling from those other top members of the company that I mentioned. So there's a lot going on, and of course, we'll monitor the insider action. We'll talk more about that here on the channel as it happens, guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. I appreciate you all as always. And again, I bought some SoFi at 680 on Friday, and I am planning on building this position out over the next couple of weeks / months, however long it takes. And it's not going to be a huge position for me, but it will be one of those, like I mentioned, an ancillary position, which you have your core positions, whatever that may be for you. For me, it's a bunch of stocks, some ETFs, whatever it may be, right? And then you have it's kind of like the core, then you have the outer positions, right? Which they're the more speculative, the growth stocks. Well, I'm not saying I don't own growth stocks in my core portfolio, but they're a bit more risky, high-flying plays that have a lot of upside. That's kind of what I'm getting at here. Those are in the outer ring. If you're looking at it like, think of Saturn, right? You know, you got the core, then you have all the rings, you know, on the outside. That's kind of the way I look at a stock portfolio, right? At least the way I look at mine, and probably some people out there, a lot of people out there might view it that way as well. So SoFi is going to be one of those outer rings. Not saying it's going to be so small where it doesn't even matter, but you know, over time I'll grow it and maybe get it to a reasonable amount. We'll see how it goes, guys, of course. And my plan is to sell a bunch of options on it and even do the wheel strategy on it. Maybe not the entire wheel. We'll see, because I don't want to be selling out and buying back in, selling out. You guys know how that goes. But we'll see. I'm definitely going to be selling calls on it. Maybe some cash secured puts. Of course, we'll see how it goes, guys, and I'll monitor it here on the channel. So again, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So let me see on the 4-hour chart what's going on. That's right. Yeah, we have the descending triangle still in play, guys. So keep that in mind. We do have lower highs being made into the support, which is 680 to about $7. Yes, we are holding that right now, but if we do dump down here, which I have mentioned time and time again here on the SoFi videos, but if we do start falling down, I'll mention it again here, under this 680 level, 675, $7, right? We might fill the gap down lower sixes, 610, 615, 620, which selfishly, like I said in the beginning of this video, I want it to go down more. I would love to buy SoFi at $6, and preferably if it went under that. You know, if it went under that, that'd be even better. I mean, look, if we break 620, you know, we could be going mid-5s at that point, which would be awfully close to the recent lows, guys, which the recent low was $4.45. Then it ran all the way to almost $12, you know. Obviously, you guys probably know that. So if we do fall under 680, 675, boom, 615, if that breaks, boom, next gap, 550, which was the high, it looks like here from the middle of May. So there could be downside here, right? There could be more downside as we do have this descending triangle playing out. But to play devil's advocate here, we could also see a breakout because we arguably have a bullish, what's this called? A bullish divergence. That's right. Almost forgot what it's called, guys. You see the RSI down here? RSI's building up, higher lows, right? You guys see all these higher lows on the RSI, boom, 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 as we're making lower highs on SoFi. So it's not guaranteed, obviously, that either or is going to happen, but we do have that descending triangle, and we do also have a bullish divergence here with volume slowly building up. I don't know. It could really go either way. And I'm in it. I'm in the stock either way, guys. You know, unless something crazy fundamentally changes, which I doubt is going to happen anytime soon. But never say never, guys. You never know. But I'm in it either way. I'm in it for the ride, and we'll see how it plays out, guys. So that's a quick little update on what SoFi ended up doing today in the midst of an overall type of day in the stock market. We did have some red in the NASDAQ. We had the Russell break even. Dow went up barely, pretty much at break even. We had the S&P up about 0.1%. So pretty boring day across the board, but SoFi did pretty well. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button. Again, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on X at Stocks Talk Stocks. You might as well do that. Link down below. And guys, get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a free share of SoFi stock as well. That's 6 stocks, each up to $2,000 with just a $100 deposit. And fund your account at least $1,000 on top of those 6 stocks for a limited time. You also get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, again, each up to $2,000. So use that link down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all later.